And welcome back. I'm meteorologist Michael Del Sancho here to take a look at some of the headlines and some of the stories we have going on right now. Tonight, few clouds, still remaining warm just because we have that cloud cover and the southern influence. But tomorrow, that's when that cold front's going to move through. We can anticipate some winds at time, possibly strong, as well as just behind that, just maybe some storms in the afternoon, but it's mostly some showers and heavy rain events. And then much cooler, still breezy though, on your Sunday. So it's going to be a big difference. And I'll kind of show you the big picture of what's going on. If you take a look at the country itself, you can see a large trough out to our west. That's where all that cold air is. And then we have the ridge on the east, and that's where all the warm air is. But we're keeping an eye on this cold front and the low pressure system right here as it moves from west to east tomorrow. It's going to bring in some of that northwest cold air as it continues to push on through. With that, we're going to see some showers and possibly some storms. So taking a look at our radar and satellites, nothing that we have to worry about tonight. We just have a mix of some clouds overnight. Sometimes it's clear, other times we've got a few more clouds. You'll see a little bit of some light drizzle, but that's in the upper atmosphere, so it's not raining right now. A lot of the rain that we're keeping an eye on is a little bit further to our west. And as we track it out, this is what's important for tomorrow is just want to know that once you get into tomorrow morning, early, you head on out, do what you've got to do. We're going to have some warm air. We're also going to have not too much wind until that front comes through, but it's not until about late morning, mid part of the day where that system and that front starts to slide through, and that's where some of those storms can kick up. So if you're further to the west, you're seeing late morning, early afternoon. If you're closer to D.C., that's where you're getting into the evening time period. Here we are, 5, 6 o'clock, still making its way east of the region. And then behind it, tomorrow night, we get a lot of clearing. Now, it's going to be windy, but we will have some clear skies as we continue to head into Sunday. So Sunday, mostly sunny skies. A lot colder. Temperatures are going to be in the 60s. Now with the rain, not really expecting a lot, about 1/10 of an inch to maybe as much as 1/4 of an inch. Just depends on if you get hit with a pocket of a little bit more of a thunderstorm or just a little bit more intensity with it. So for tonight, remember, just some clouds, 64 degrees. So it's one of our last warm nights that we have for a short time period. And then tomorrow morning, mid-60s to start off. If you're further west, you'll see some of those showers kind of work its way through. But for the most part, that front is going to swing through in the afternoon time period. So if you're out in the park in the afternoon, you're got right around 70 degrees at 1 o'clock, so it's still going to be warm. That humidity is going to be around in the morning. Once that front comes through, we clear out. Look at that, 58 degrees at 7 o'clock. That humidity will be gone. And temperatures around the region tomorrow, we can see Leesburg at 76, Front Royal 75, Manassas at 78 degrees. So overall, still once again a very warm day. Now for your weekend, talked about tomorrow, 76, those gusty showers, but then we turn the page and we look at Sunday. 63 is our high. That is typically what our temperatures were for our lows over the last week or so. So it's going to be cooler and much breezy on Sunday. Now for your 7-day forecast, this is how it sets up. Saturday's your transition day. Sunday, much cooler and windy, and then a lot of sunshine and dry weather all throughout the week. Still breezy on Monday at 65 degrees. Then we head into the low to mid 70s throughout the rest of the week. And that's how we shape up to the end of the week with a few more clouds on Friday. That's a look at your 7-day forecast. Your local DVM.com event is Thanksgiving Art and Craft Show, Friday through Sunday, November 26th through November 28th, 10 a.m. until 3 p.m. That will be in Vienna at the Vienna Community Center, 703-255-6360.